Crocheting 101, a complete beginner's course for absolute beginner crocheters, created by Aaron from ABR Creations. Chapter 13, the double triple crochet. Now that you have learned the single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, half triple crochet and the triple crochet, let's learn another stitch called the double triple crochet. The double triple crochet, marked with the abbreviation DTR, is yet another stitch that is bigger than all the stitches that you have learned, even bigger than the triple crochet. Just like the half triple crochet and the triple crochet, the double triple crochet is also used for various designs on crochet projects. Now that you have learned some basic tips on the double triple crochet, let's learn how to do it. Start by making a slip knot. And chain 17. Skip 5 chains and follow these 3 steps. Step 1. Yarn over thrice and insert your crochet hook into the 6th chain from your hook. Step 2. Yarn over and pull it through the chain, making sure that you have 5 loops on your crochet hook. Step 3. Yarn over and pull it through 2 loops, making sure you repeat this step 4 times in total. And that is how you make the double triple crochet. To continue making the double triple crochets, simply follow steps 1 to 3 again and again until you have no chains left. So just keep doing the double triple crochets and I will be back to show you what to do next. Once you are at the end of the row, you should have 12 stitches. Then turn your crochet piece and chain 5 for a double triple crochet. To continue making double triple crochets, just do what you did before, making sure that you insert your crochet hook into the double triple crochets from row 1. You can crochet as many rows as you like, just for practice, but make sure you work double triple crochets into each stitch from previous rows. For a better understanding of how these stitches are different, here's a stitch comparison to compare all the different stitches that you have learned so far. The slip stitch, which is the shortest stitch in crochet, the single crochet, the half double crochet, the double crochet, the half triple crochet, the triple crochet, and finally the double triple crochet. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to my channel and please like this video at the end of this tutorial. If you are ready for chapter 14, click here now or the link in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and get creative.